Are you ready to unlock the secrets to maximum profits in 2025? From explosive tech innovators to untapped growth sectors, we've got you covered. Don't just invest, invest smarter. Stay ahead of the game with us. Hit that subscribe button and let's grow your wealth together. When it comes to investing, stock picking is an essential skill for maximizing profits in the upcoming year. As someone who's been in the industry for a while, I've learned that it's not just about throwing darts at a board and hoping for the best. It takes research, analysis, and a deep understanding of the market to identify high-potential stocks. That's why I'm excited to share my expertise with you today. Investors face a multitude of challenges when trying to identify high-potential stocks. One of the biggest hurdles is market volatility. It's like trying to read tea leaves. It's unpredictable and can change on a dime. This makes it difficult to discern which stocks are truly undervalued and which ones are just experiencing a temporary dip. Another challenge is information overload. With the internet at our fingertips, we're bombarded with a constant stream of news, opinions, and analysis. It's easy to get caught up in the noise and lose sight of what's truly important. As investors, we need to be able to separate the signal from the noise and focus on the metrics that really matter. Furthermore, the sheer number of stocks to choose from can be overwhelming. There are over 7,000 publicly traded companies in the US alone, and each one has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is constantly shifting and the needle is hiding behind a layer of complexity. On top of that, there's the ever-present fear of missing out, or FOMO. We've all been there, watching as a stock we should have invested in takes off without us. It's a frustrating feeling, and it can lead to impulsive decisions that ultimately cost us in the long run. When analyzing key sectors for growth potential in 2025, I'm excited to share some insights that may help you stay ahead of the curve. One sector that's caught my attention is renewable energy. As the world continues to shift towards sustainable solutions, companies that are at the forefront of this movement are poised to reap the benefits. Another sector that's showing promising signs is healthcare technology. With the aging population and the increasing need for digital healthcare solutions, companies that are innovating in this space are likely to see significant growth in the coming year. I'm also keeping a close eye on the fintech sector, particularly companies that are leveraging blockchain and artificial intelligence to disrupt traditional finance. The potential for growth in this area is vast, and I believe we'll see some significant players emerge in 2025. Lastly, I think the e-commerce sector is due for a resurgence. As more and more consumers turn to online shopping, companies that are able to adapt and innovate in this space will be well-positioned to capitalize on the trend. Number 10. NextEra Energy, NAE. NextEra's focus on renewable energy aligns with global green energy trends. While regulatory and market risks exist, its clean energy investments are expected to yield solid long-term returns. Predicted growth? Investments in renewable energy projects position NAE for 8 to 15% growth. The push for green energy policies adds further tailwinds. Number 9. Netflix, NFLX. Netflix's strategy to diversify revenue through ad-supported tiers and password-sharing controls has boosted revenue. Its international market penetration and original content are key growth drivers. Predicted growth? Content expansion, ad-supported tiers, and improved engagement could result in a 10 to 15% rise as Netflix consolidates its streaming leadership. These projections assume favorable market conditions and are influenced by specific growth strategies, sector trends, and macroeconomic factors. If you make this far, you are top 10% of people who actually finished what they started, and it proves that you are an ambitious individual. Investing is all about staying ahead of the curve. Number 8. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon's strength in e-commerce and cloud computing, AWS, continues to drive growth. Its foray into AI services enhances its competitive edge with strong long-term potential in these markets. Predicted growth? Amazon's expansion in cloud computing, AWS, retail, and advertising positions it for a 10 to 15% rise in 2025, supported by its robust e-commerce infrastructure. Number 7. MasterCard, MA. MasterCard benefits from increasing global digital payment adoption. Innovations in fintech and cross-border transactions are expected to contribute to steady growth. Predicted growth? With the global shift to digital payments, MasterCard's stock could grow 8 to 12%, benefiting from increased transaction volumes and partnerships. Number 6. CrowdStrike, CRWD. CrowdStrike's leadership in cybersecurity and its expanding AI-driven product suite position it for growth. Revenue projections reflect strong demand, especially with increased cybersecurity concern. Predicted growth? Strong cybersecurity demand may push CrowdStrike's stock up 20 to 30% in 2025, supported by recurring revenue and innovation in threat detection. Number 5. Moderna, mRNA. While COVID-19 vaccine revenues have decreased, Moderna's pipeline for mRNA-based treatments and vaccines in oncology and rare diseases is a long-term growth driver. Near-term revenue might be volatile as the company transitions away from pandemic-driven sales. Predicted growth? The development of new mRNA-based therapies could lead to a 15 to 20% increase in 2025. Pipeline progress and diversification beyond COVID-19 vaccines are key drivers. So without further ado, let's dive into my top stock picks for maximum profits in 2024. Coming in at number 4 is Uber Technologies. Incourse, a renewable energy company that's been making waves with its innovative solar panel technology. What sets Uber Technologies Inc. apart is its commitment to sustainability and its focus on emerging markets. At number 3 is Tesla, Inc. Corp., a healthcare technology company that's pioneering virtual reality solutions for medical training. What I love about Tesla, Inc. is its strong management team and its proven track record of innovation. Coming in at number 2 is Meta Platforms Technologies, a fintech company that's using blockchain to revolutionize cross-border payments. What excites me about Meta Platforms is its partnerships with major banks and its potential for scalability. And at number 1 is NVIDIA Corporation, an e-commerce company that's disrupting the traditional retail model with its AI-powered supply chain management. What sets NVIDIA Corporation apart is its focus on customer experience and its ability to adapt to changing consumer behaviors. In conclusion, these top stock picks for maximum profits in 2025 are not just random guesses. They're the result of careful analysis and research. By understanding the trends, sectors, and companies that are positioned for growth, we can make informed investment decisions that set us up for success. What do you think about these stock picks? Do you have any other favorites that you think will perform well in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more investment insights and future stock analysis videos.